For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
United States President Donald Trump made a surprise announcement on Thursday. In his announcement, he said that Israel and the United Arab Emirates had reached a peace agreement. He said that UAE and Israel had agreed to establish full diplomatic ties as part of a deal to halt the annexation of occupied land sought by the Palestinians for their future state. President Donald Trump took to Twitter and put out a statement from the countries acknowledging the peace deal. This recognition is seen as a rare diplomatic win for Donald Trump ahead of the upcoming election.
Huge breakthrough today. Historic peace agreement between our two great friends, Israel and the United Arab Emirates.
The agreement came after a phone call between Trump, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, and Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi. After the conversation, a joint statement was also released acknowledging the agreement.
This historic diplomatic breakthrough will advance peace in the Middle East region and is a testament to the bold diplomacy and vision of the three leaders and the courage of the United Arab Emirates and Israel to chart a new path that will unlock the great potential in the region. Opening direct ties between two of the Middle East's most dynamic societies and advanced economies will transform the region by spurring economic growth, enhancing technological innovation, and forging closer people-to-people relations.
Speaking to reporters in the White House, President Trump said he hoped other Muslim nations in the region will follow the UAE. The joint statement said the delegations would meet in the coming weeks to sign deals on direct flights, security, telecommunications, energy, tourism, and healthcare. The two countries will also join hands on fighting the coronavirus pandemic.
At the request of President Trump, with the support of the United Arab Emirates, Israel will suspend declaring sovereignty over areas outlined in the president's vision for peace and focus its efforts now on expanding ties with other countries in the Arab and Muslim world. The United States, Israel, and the United Arab Emirates are confident that additional diplomatic breakthrough with other nations are possible and will work together to achieve this goal.
Netanyahu said it was a historic day in response to Trump's tweets about the normalization deal. He also said he agreed to delay the annexation in the occupied West Bank as part of the deal. Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, also tweeted saying the agreement was setting a roadmap towards establishing a bilateral relationship.
During a call with President Trump and Prime Minister Netanyahu, an agreement was reached to stop further Israeli annexation of Palestinian territories. The UAE and Israel also agreed to cooperation and setting a roadmap towards establishing a bilateral relationship.
Donald Trump has long sought a Mideast breakthrough that would allow him to withdraw US troops from the region. He also sought to strengthen an anti-Iran alliance in the region led by Saudi Arabia.